beauty squads, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie and I'm here with another video. So if you're new here to my channel, welcome. And to all of my old subscribers, if you're back here, thanks for tuning back in with me. Today I'm back here to share with you guys on how I applied my wig using the Style Factor Edge Booster pomade. It's similar to I guess like a jam, and it has a strong hold to it, so you can also use it as well on your natural hair. I've seen a lot of videos where they're applying it to their natural hair, and I haven't tried that yet. Might be another video on that. So yes, so I'm using it today to apply my lace front wig. And y'all, if this is something that you're looking for, if you don't want it to be where it's damaging to your hair and hard to remove, this is something that you might want to try out. I'm just suggesting that, not saying that you have to. So if you would like to see how I applied my lace front using this Style Factor Edge Booster, please continue watching and let's jump right into the video. Well, okay, my beauty squads. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this scarf. I have already, applied the unit onto my head, and the sides are not tacked down. I do have a band on as well, and I just like for the front to be kind of tacked down, but I'm trying to save my edges, and trying this out is a little bit better than using the other products that I was using. So this here's the Style Factor Edge Booster with strong hold. Is a water-based pomade, and I have it in the scent Sweet Peach, and I'm just showing you what the consistency look like. It kind of reminds me of jam, that what they sell in the beauty supply store. So yeah, I'm pinning back the unit so that I can share with you guys on how I'm gonna apply this. And I just take some onto my finger. It doesn't matter what finger you use. And excuse my hand, I hadn't put any nails on, you guys. And I just apply a generous amount. And it's good at laying those edges, y'all. It lays your real hair edges, it lays it. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. And I'm hoping, I never get any breakouts from this, but so far I haven't. I have been using it now for about a couple of weeks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the unit, taking my edge brush. This here's a wooden edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. And when you see where I'm doing baby hair, I'm not worried about what it looks like, because mostly with curly hair you don't really worry about what your edges look like, because you just want that messy look. So right here you see where I'm just constantly applying extra edge booster to where it is still lifted, and just putting a generous amount, and just do it to your liking. So yeah, like I mentioned before, I don't care about how my baby hair is looking. I ain't trying to get it perfective and all of that. It's just because with curly hair, that's what you look for, that curly look kind of around your perimeters, and it's just kind of like blending in with the rest of the curly hair. So yeah, just do it to your liking, and that's what I'm doing, and just mainly for the sake of this video. So yeah, you see where it's lifted a little bit there, and I just added a little bit amount to it and tacked it down. So this is much easier, you guys. I'm not saying that you need to go out and purchase this, but if you're looking for something, like I mentioned in the intro, something that is not going to damage your edges, and you want to remove it every night, it's easily to remove. If you would like to see me do a video on that, and you will have a little residue around the perimeters of your own natural hair, And you just take a wet towel and wipe it down, and your edges are still laid. That's what I like about it. So now I'm taking my scarf and I'm just tying it down. You don't even really have to, but I'm just doing it just for a few seconds and I'm good to go. And it don't take long. It don't take long as like the got to be glue spray and the gel and all of that. This just a snap in no time. No more than about 2 or 3 minutes. Probably not even that long. But I give it like maybe 3 minutes. So yeah. So far, I have enjoyed using this. So you guys, you see how happy I am. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead. After maybe 2 or 3 minutes, I'm removing the scarf. And see, I'm not worried about the baby hair. I just want it to just look kind of natural. I don't want it all drawn out, being perfective and everything. So this here unit, I will have down in the description section. I can't really remember right offhand where I got it from, but I will find that information. And you see, I have the side part. It's supposed to be a middle part, but I don't care for the middle part. So I'm just applying more water to the unit, just kind of, because I did wash it maybe the day before or 2 days before. And if you would like to see how I wash my curly wigs, comment down below. It turned out well better than before. So yeah, and I am going to go ahead and style the unit because I'm going to cut, because one side is a little bit longer because the way that I have the unit applied. So yes guys, and if you like videos like this, please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and comment down below. And until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. So stay tuned to the end and you'll see how I cut the unit. I didn't share it cutting it, but I just showed you guys what it looks like. Bye guys.